Hello and welcome to recorded training session for Freon's Mobile, ArcGIS and SmartForms on iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, and the tablets. And we're going to run through a training session over the next couple volumes of video here that shows you how to create SmartForms, collect data out in the field, and also digitize rate on a map on the smartphone. So we'll go ahead and start. We need ArcGIS server and ArcCatalog here and ArcMap and our database. And let's go ahead and start. I'm going to bring up ArcCatalog here because we're going to start with creating a table in our database. Now Freon's Mobile can create forms for GIS or non-GIS databases, but we're going to go GIS databases here, SDE, because it's going to allow us to not only create records right in the form, but it's also going to allow us to have those points pop up right on our map. So that's the beauty of creating the record table right in SDE. So here we are in SDE. We've got a feature class. Let's go ahead and add a new layer to this. Now you can go ahead and create a feature class or import one. We're going to go with point features to start with. We're going to call it this is storm water management form. Okay, and we'll go ahead and hit next, and we'll go ahead and hit next, and we've now created a table. And now I need to start typing in the fields for this. We're going to go ahead and start here, and I just typing in, looking at my form, I see I've got site. We'll go ahead and leave it a text value at 50 length, and then I've got a type, and I've got I'm just going to keep going here, weather inspector, and this is just where you are going to go down your form and just start adding the fields. And we're going to get to one of these fields here that's just a little unique. Let's go with date, and of course when we type in date, let's go ahead and designate that one a date. If we know something's a number, we'll designate a number. Let's go ahead and type in map. Let's use underscore, no uppercase. Try to keep this a clean database. Storm and that one's I know that one's a number, so let's go ahead and give it a number, short integer. Now I'm going to come down to a couple fields that are unique. These are going to have fields that are yes, no, and if they are yes, they're going to open up more fields. So it's a smart form that's going to expand as we put in different data into the different fields for our end user. So I'm going to have let me see, embankment crest underscore, and the first one is erosion. Okay, and that's a yes no field. We'll leave it as text. And then I have if that's yes no, if it's yes, then I have embankment crest underscore erosion underscore I've got monitor, and I've got repair. So I have those two fields, and I also have one more, and that's EC erosion comments. Right? Uh, let's go ahead, and that's good enough. I have some more fields, but you just keep going down and typing in the fields you have there. We're going to go ahead and finish this. And now we have a new form and a table, a layer feature table in our database. And let's go in and quickly we'll go ahead and start ArcCAD here, or ArcMap, and I just want to go ahead and look at that. Okay, here we've got ArcMap up, and we'll go ahead and quickly add that layer that we just created, the form, and we'll see that we've got a point here, and we've got that same data set in the table going across. Now we need to add a couple more fields because we are collecting data on a smartphone with a form and not necessarily with a map. That's going to be optional whether we want to digitize on the map on the device. So to be able to create those, let's go ahead and close this. To go ahead and create those forms on a map, we're going to need to add some additional fields to have them pop into the SDE. Because with a smartphone we're going to collect some photos and also some GPS data. So let's go back into that form. Let's go to the bottom here, and we've got a couple more fields to create. We said one is we want to go a photo field.